Alright, I'm going to do B. So in this graph, this green function is y equals fx. What you need to do is figure out what happens when y equals f of 2x. So you can hopefully notice that this 2 is inside. So those are the notes that I will start with. So inside, I'm either going to be dilating it horizontally or vertically. So I'm going to refer back to my notes because I don't have it in front of me. It's 3f.2, I reckon. Here we go. Which one's inside? So over here, horizontally dilated. Let's go back to quickly. So horizontally dilating. My k value is 2, so scale factor is a half. These are the things I'm taking a mental note of in order to use. I just need to figure out one last thing. So k is greater than 1, so it'll be that first dot point. It moves point of y equals fx closer to the y-axis. Okay, so let's go back. So it moves closer to y. So horizontal dilating, meaning my hands are over here. And then I'm just moving it inwards or outwards. But this one is moving closer to y, so it's going to be smaller graph, meaning it'll be shrinking. So your hand will squeeze towards the y-axis. And that factor is a half because that number is 2. So basically every dot point you want to move it to the half. But remember what I said, when we working horizontally, you keep anything on the y-axis constant. So any point on the y-axis, let's have a look. So this one you want to keep constant. You don't want to move that one. So let's start with this dot point. That's negative 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I half it, it'll become negative 2. This dot point is negative 2. So if I half it, it'll become negative 1. This dot point over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it'll become 2. And that's about it. So basically, this is what I have to draw. Let's see if I can figure it out. So this dot point, like so, and then I've got to draw a circle. Make sure I'm not changing my y. So don't change my y. And it looks something like this, squished. Oh, I changed my y over here. My bad. Let me see if I can change it again. What was it? What was I changing? So this one was at negative 2, so it moves to negative 1. So it should have looked like this. There you go, much better. So I'm not changing any of my y values. And yeah, that's it.